Hi, I'm Ebony and welcome to my channel. This is a quick tutorial on how I flat ironed my 4C natural hair. If it's your first time stopping by my channel and you'd like to see more from me, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button now so you can stay up to date with all of my uploads. Alright, let's get started. I'm starting this process on stretched hair. In my two previous videos, I outlined the steps that I take to stretch my hair before heat styling. I recommend you check those out now before watching this video. You can click the link above. Before starting the process to flat iron my hair, I always like to separate my hair in sections. It just makes it easier. Then I take a wide tooth comb, which you already saw, and I detangle the section. Then I run my flat iron through one time and I follow up with a second pass. And that's pretty much it. I repeat this same process all over my hair. As you can see here, I am just doing the exact same thing that I did in the previous section. I'm taking the flat iron down my hair one time, then I'll be following it up again. And when flat ironing my hair, I did use a heat protectant, and the flat iron is just about 400 degrees. I'm very mindful of using the flat iron at a very high temperature because I am terribly afraid of heat damage. See, I got my hair pretty straight with just two passes. This has been the technique that I use to flat iron my hair in minimal time and prevent heat damage. In the past, it would take me entirely too long to flat iron my hair, or my hair would be really frizzy. So I've implemented 3 steps that really make a difference when I flat iron my hair. The first thing is I always make sure I stretch my hair beforehand, and you can see exactly how I do that in my previous video. Next, I always make sure I'm working in small sections, and I also make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled. By implementing these 3 steps, it has been a true game changer. I can literally get this done so quick. This tutorial is pretty straightforward. Please continue to watch the remainder of the video so you can see how I styled my hair after it was straightened. And this is my hair once I finished. This is not the final look because I did decide to go ahead and style my hair, but this is just a look at what my hair looks like after just about 30 to 40 minutes of flat ironing my hair and just running the flat iron through with 2 passes. So I did decide to go ahead and, bump my ends, as we like to say. And I also gave myself a side part because that is my jam. I love rocking a side part. And I literally just went through and, like I said, bumped the edges a bit. I mean the edges. I bumped the ends just a bit. And I actually did this on a lower temperature. I did not do this at 400 degrees like I did to initially flat iron my hair. And this is the final look. I was very pleased with the results. Please let me know what you think about this technique and this style down in the comment section below. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them below as well. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, make sure you do hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all of my uploads. And also hit that smash button to support my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all all on the next one. All right, bye-bye.